So for this problem, which the equation is 11 plus 5x equals 5x plus 11, on the right side, we did the opposite of adding, which is subtracting. So we did plus 11 minus 11, which the two symbols cancel out. And what we do on one side, we do on the other side. So we do it on the other side, 11 minus 11, that equals 0. So there's basically nothing. So now we have 5x equals 5x. And to get x by itself, we do 5 divided by 5 on both sides, which equals 1x, but basically x. So now we just have x equals x, and this is an infinite solution. So for this problem, which the equation is negative 3x minus 2 minus x equals negative 4x minus 1 minus 1. So on the left side, we added negative 3x plus negative x, which equals negative 4x. So now we rewrite the equation, which is negative 4x minus 2 equals negative 4x, and we're going to add the negative ones to each other. So negative 1 plus negative 1, which is negative 2. So now we have negative 4x minus 2 equals negative 4x minus 2. And to get the negative 4x by itself, we do the opposite of adding, which is subtracting. So we do negative 10 plus 10, which we do on both sides. And they cancel out because they have the opposite symbol. So now we have negative 4x equals negative 4x. And to get x by itself, we do negative 4x divided by negative 4 on both sides, which that cancels out. So now we have 1x, but 1x is basically equal to x. So now we have x equals to x, which is an infinite solution. So for this problem, which the equation is 6x minus 8 equals negative 8 minus x plus 7x, so I added negative on the right side. I did negative x plus 7x, which that equals negative 6x. So I have 6. So I rewrote the problem, which 6x minus 8 equals negative 8 minus 6x. So basically the opposite of adding is subtracting. So we have negative plus 8, and we do it on both sides, which the two symbols cancel each other out. So now we're just left with 6x on both sides. So 6x equals to 6x, but to get the x by itself, we do 6x divided by 6 on both sides, which equals 1x, but 1x is equal to x. So now we have x equals to x, which is an infinite solution. So for this problem, which the equation is 1 plus 12x equals 3x plus 9x plus 1. So first, on the right side, I added 3x plus 9x, which equals 12x. So I rewrote the problem. And then on the other side, so now I have 1 plus 12x equals 12x plus 1. So to get the 12x by itself, we minus 1 by itself. 1 minus 1, which on both sides, which they cancel each other out. So now we have 12x equals 12x. And to get the x by itself, we do 12 divided by 12 on both sides. So now that equals 1x, but 1x is equal to x. So now we just have an x is equal to x, which is an infinite solution.